Hi, sweethearts. It's Chantel from Sweet Job Spot, and I'm here to talk to you about LinkedIn. Before we get started, you can follow my page. You can like this post and share it with your friends. So, first off, I want to talk to you about LinkedIn. We're going to talk about three things today. The first thing is going to be what LinkedIn is. Next, what LinkedIn isn't. And finally, how you can use LinkedIn for your benefit. All right, let's get started. So, what LinkedIn is? LinkedIn is a networking tool. So, it's an opportunity for you to get connected with business partners, colleagues, future employers, future employees. Okay, so what's really different about LinkedIn is that it is a professional platform, but you don't necessarily have to have a professional degree to use it. You can simply use it as somebody who's a professional in your industry or in the industry that you want to be in. Now, it's not just for accountants, financiers, people with degrees, IT people. It's really a platform for everybody. So the way that LinkedIn works is you create a profile, much like something on Facebook or Instagram or anything like that. But the difference is your profile is going to be geared towards the things that you know how to do, your achievements. You really want it to look professional, and it speaks to your brand, right? So most of us might think to ourselves, I'm not trying to have my own business. Why do I need a brand? Well, your brand is simply another nice word for a reputation. And a reputation is who you are and who you've been in the past, who you are now, and who you want to be in the future. So your reputation is your personal version of Coke, your personal version of McDonald's, your personal version of Burger King, right? So when you're thinking of yourself, you just want to think of who you are really and how you can present yourself to people if you're looking for work, right? So let's talk a little bit about what LinkedIn is not. LinkedIn is not just a job board. And as I said before, it is not Facebook, it's not Instagram, but it is similar in the sense that it is social media. So when you're using LinkedIn for social media, what you really want to work on is making sure that everything is filled out in your LinkedIn profile, that you have a good header so that people can find you, so that you have your experience so people can understand what it is you do and what you bring to the table. You also get the opportunity to have some references and recommendations there on LinkedIn, and you can treat your personal page almost like a pseudo business page. So on LinkedIn, unlike, say, some of the other platforms out there, you can really brand yourself. And like I said, when I say brand, I don't necessarily mean you've got to have colors and you have to, have a logo. I don't mean a logo. I mean branding yourself as a professional in whatever industry you're in. And the industry can range. It could be anything from call center representative to president, right? So anywhere in between that, it's really just an opportunity for you to connect with people and get to know them and have the opportunity to talk to them about your skill set. So, how does it benefit you to have a LinkedIn profile versus, say, a Facebook page or an Instagram or Twitter page? Well, here's how it can benefit you. First off, it gives you some sections in there that you can talk about yourself. So there's a very clear about section. So that will give you the opportunity to go out, talk to people about how the program works that you do, about yourself and your values. You can talk about your industry and what's hot and what's not. What it isn't is gossip and rumors. I mean, there are some on there, but it's not like you just want to post a bunch of memes on there and look for likes. No, it's really an opportunity to have quality engagement around your work. Now, how else it'll benefit you? Yes, LinkedIn does have a job board on there. So you can apply directly to jobs, but you can also see who works at the companies that you might be interested in, and whether or not you can connect with those people so that you can possibly get a referral from them to get that job. Now, if you're a business owner and you're not looking for job referrals, but you're looking for customers, you can use LinkedIn to find your ideal customers. Right now, people are online way more than usual, and it's a great time for you to reach out to those customers that may have walked into your store in the past, that may have come by your office earlier, but now they can't. So now you can use a platform like LinkedIn. Now, how else it can benefit you is it can give you the opportunity to be what's called a subject matter expert. And let me tell you, it does not matter what you've done. You can be a subject matter expert in any area on LinkedIn. So whether you are a widget maker, whether you are a garbage man, whether you are a leader, this gives you the opportunity to really show your stuff. And that's why I'm putting together an event. I'm putting together a class. So that's going to be for people who are interested in finding ways to better promote themselves through a platform like LinkedIn. Now, you'll find gym instructors there. You'll find health experts. You'll find accountants. They are there. You will find people who specialize in lawn care. It doesn't really matter the area that you specialize in, but it does matter for you to put yourself out there in front of a crowd of people that would be interested in what you talk about, and to educate people about what might be going on in your world and how you're seeing things. So I implore you to come along. I'm going to put some information down below about my upcoming course on how to use LinkedIn most effectively and have LinkedIn success. I look forward to talking to you soon, and have a great day. Bye.